Great job answering the questions above. Today, we are going to check our understanding of each part of the read, draw, write strategy. The first part is to read and annotate the word problem. So first, I am going to model how you should read and annotate a word problem. So here's the word problem on the screen. Remember, we always read the word problem at least 2 times, and we want to create a movie in our mind to help us remember what the word problem is all about. So listen closely as I read or read along with me. Some ducks were in a pond. 4 baby ducks joined them. Now there are 6 ducks in the pond. How many ducks were in the pond at first? I'm going to read it one more time, but now I'm creating a movie in my mind. Some ducks were in a pond. 4 baby ducks joined them. Now there are 6 ducks in the pond. How many ducks were in the pond at first? And you can take a moment to create that movie. Now the next step is super important. We are going to annotate this word problem. But I want to see what I should really annotate. So, some ducks were in a pond. 4 baby ducks joined them. Now there are 6 ducks in the pond. How many ducks were in the pond at first? Should I annotate like this? Should I be circling and underlining everything? Think about that, because you're going to have to answer below. Think about that, because you're going to have to answer below. Now, sorry, I'm messing up. Now what about if I annotate this way? Some ducks were in a pond. 4 baby ducks joined them. Join might be important because if I'm joining, that means I'm bringing more, I'm adding to it. So that's an important word for me to underline. Now there are 6 ducks in the pond, okay? Now there are 6 ducks. So I know that there were some ducks in the pond, 4 baby ducks joined them, and now there are 6. How many ducks were in the pond at first? At first. That's really important. At first. So I want you to think about the 2 ways that I just annotated. First, I annotated the problem, and I was underlining a lot. I was underlining almost every sentence. And I want you to think, is that helpful? Can I solve the problem by underlining all those words? And then the second time, I read through the problem, and I didn't underline as much and I didn't circle a lot of things. So down below, you're going to see 2 pictures of a word problem, and they've both been annotated. I want you to select the word problem that is annotated with excellence. Which word problem will help us solve the problem?